Hello and welcome to Studio Sherry. Today I've got my sewing studio set up in the dining room to be able to do a little video for you, a tutorial on how I work with these prairie points. First, how to make a prairie point, and then how I work with them to make a table runner or this pillow. The details of how to cut your fabric and what fabric to use are in the pattern, but I wanted this video to explain the technique so that you could see me sewing live. So let's get to it. And let's make a prairie point. You start with a square and you flip it over to the wrong side of the fabric. The fabrics that I used in this project, you can't tell the right side from the wrong side, so that's why I'm using this one as an example. You can tell. So wrong side up, first step, fold it in half and press. Okay. Second step, take one of the folded corners and bring this whole side up to be even with the top. So this side is going to meet the top, folding on the diagonal here, a 45-degree angle. And press that in place. Then let's do the same thing to the other side. This side comes up to meet this side, folding at that corner. Now what we've done is we brought all the raw edges to one side of this triangle. My cord is caught. Oh, I'm rolled on it. Okay. All the raw edges are here, and they are going to be what gets stitched into the project. And that's your prairie point. This is what's going to add texture to the project.